Today we have the 2017 BMW 4 Series. This vehicle has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access media, communication, map, and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. Using our mode button, we can switch between Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather cream interior.